therefore deliberations mose time commission ema IG dhi timre nadi implement. The commission gibro bet to gi agree, gi develop policies to giwacho ni wabro timo recruitment following this procedure. Kata gimiwinjo ka ji wacho ni digital ni ji ok understand. Jomoko paro ni digital means ni kise apply to inipa pano luongi ni kori dhi ka police. Kata mana tij jopuonj ji apply digitally, but nyaka appear physically to be interviewed. So kata mana tij police ni ji nyaka ng'ini kati apply to nyaka wang ni bi matim ni physical recruitment. Application ni to ensure ni were you in the list, because nitie joma bro apply, application will be accepted. Tibro biro ni nwango ka ne giwacho ni minimum D+ cha. Inwango ka ng'ani nigi D. So eno bro bedo removed. Ibo nwango ka ng'at moro no kokalo kizungu kata Kiswahili midwaro cha, eno bro bedo removed. And then there is a feeling wa jomoko wacho ni policeman ni nyala yier ng'at moro manyadundo marom gi G3. You know, ok practical because teach ka teach nigi the way it is done. A policeman nyaka bed ng'ama ka ng'ato kata goi to can come to your help. Katingio mana international community, katingio mana America, look at their policemen. They don't have ondilo. No, ngi joma nigi energy, and also that forms part of Koro wa combine both brain and energy. And this has been there for many years. So kengi mokwongo to kata kidhi military and pok winjo hangato ka ji ingilia military, because kata military ji pod ringo nyaki dhi kata mana prison the same, kata mana KWS the same. Mar police ni I don't know what it is about.
Kata cadets be pod ji ringe.
You have to because you see nyaka ingene the mom samedi team ni medical test samiringo cha to inwango koponi kata in gi gimoro in your system, it will be found. Kata mana hangati nyalo hangano nigi chuma etiende to kung'eyo. But issues of disability, police mang'eny jomoko yudo accident, ng'at moro wang'e otho ka en e tich, ng'at moro obedo short, mobedo kata paralyzed, ok riembgi. They remain and itiyo kodgi for other duties. But okunyala nyala wuok ni un tij police nudwa dhi ndiko joma nigi disability. No, mano koro police. Police nigi both police and nitie civilian. Nitie uniformed police to nitie civilian within the police. Nitie jo medical clerks. So the jo medical kata clerks are so many. So jo manigi disability but nyalo type, nyalo timango indiko gi on the civilian aspect. But the uniformed policeman must be a strong person, must be a person, because we are not lacking people of that stature. But controversy maji kelo ni there is a problem between the IG must be the person to lead in the recruitment. But the commission brings in policies, modalities of recruitment, trainings, a number of issues the commission undertakes. Gi create those baselines Mabrobedo followed. Omeo, what will happen? The members, the civilians who are in the commission, including the chairman, Gibet Payne, gi agree. Like, for example, what Masara is talking about, numbers. Give it to Gingeo. Nito Kenya ka, okucha dima gin police. Jolua dima ne police. Jokalanjina dima ne police. Joturukana dima ne police. But what is our population? What is our ratio, even in terms of population? Tiruake system, no, okucha gingenya hinya. Katalango gingenya hinya. Koro wamigi, lakini wamigi matin to wamed joba lawyer ma population giduong to githin wamed gi more numbers for this year, wamed jo luo number mang'eny for this year, but then now next year kendo jo moko gi obiro mang'eny koro wamed okuyu mang'eny. You see, so that we balance. So maga are some of the things, but Joripo, stop politicizing police, and Joripo, stop treating police kaka watchmen. Police officers are officers of the law. Gin got very huge responsibility in the criminal justice system. Gin get responsibility for securing all of us. Because ngato dwaro no kao the worst child in the family. Ema mondo diobed police. And I heard the way me kao the best child to be a priest. Emo mi rupikeni chaki kao the best child to be a policeman.
Sani kepo kagi kepo ni kechinite watchman opondo na wachwane kinde mabende koro sani koro wachma kamano ntiere doho okwange ni bura makamano buro bedo karumo karango to koro jowa waike geyo